Welcome back Sharmalan chess lovers. Today, we're diving into a deadly miniature from 1937 where white brutally punishes black in just 10 moves using the Alekhine Defense. Let's break it down move by move and reveal how this classic trap unfolds. White starts with first move to e4, grabbing central space. Black replies with knight f6, inviting the Alekhine Defense, a provocative choice. Black wants white to overextend their center pawns. Second move to white pushes immediately with e5, attacking the knight point to nd move to. Black retreats to knight d5, following standard theory. The knight aims to provoke more pawn pushes and undermine the center later. Third move to white develops with knight f3, supporting the e5 pawn. Second move to black hits back with d6, challenging the center and trying to open lines to counterattack later. Fourth move to white plays bishop c4, developing aggressively and eyeing the f7 square, a known weakness in the black camp. Point 4th move to black responds with knight b6, kicking the bishop but weakening kingside coordination. Fifth move to boom, bishop cross f7 check. White sacrifices the bishop for a powerful initiative. Fifth move to black is forced to accept with king cross f7, exposing the king early. Sixth move to white follows with knight g5 check, continuing the attack. Sixth move to black retreats with king g8, but now the king is stuck in the corner with no safety. Seventh move to white centralizes the queen with queen f3, threatening mate and keeping pressure on f7 and b7. Seventh move to black plays queen e8, trying to defend, but it's already too late. Eighth move to white plays the brilliant e6, a pawn break that opens lines and threatens destruction. Point 8th move to black responds with h6, trying to chase the knight, but it's a tempo too slow. Ninth move to white calmly plays queen f7 check, sacrificing the queen. Ninth move to black has to accept with queen cross f7, but doesn't realize what's coming next. 10 move to e cross f7 check. Checkmate. The pawn captures on f7 and delivers the final blow. The king is trapped behind his own pieces, helpless. In just 10 moves, Powers executes a perfect tactical trap against the Alekhine Defense, a masterpiece of classical chess. If you loved this deadly trap, hit like and subscribe. And tell us, would you dare play Alekhine Defense after seeing this? Drop a comment below.